Hi, this is me. I'm going to show you my Angry Birds Plus collection. So now, we have the tiny red keychain. It's kind of hard. Looks like you make him, but he's not. Then we have Yellow Bird, soft and he's squishy. Then we have Pig. He used to have a keychain, but the keychain fell off. And we have Red Bird. He's soft and squishy too. No, he doesn't make noise. On to our bigger ones. We have White Bird. He doesn't make noise. Then we have Plain Pig. He makes noise. Then we have Helmet Pig. You can see the details in it. They have the crack, like after a bird hit him. Then we have Blackbird. He makes sounds. Then we have Keen Pig. He's soft, he's squishy, but he doesn't make noise. We got Green Bird here. He makes noise. 3 different ones. On to our bigger ones. We have the big black one. He's soft, he's squishy, he doesn't make noise. We have the Keen Pig. He's kind of big, not really big though. Then we have Bluebird. He makes 3 different sounds. Then we have Yellowbird. He makes noise. And then we have Plain Big Pig. He makes noise. Then we have the Big Bombird. He makes noise. 3 different ones, same one. And then we have Big Brother Bird. We have more stuff. We have these. It's like a sticker. Then we have Pig, like after a bird hit him, then Bombird, and then Big Brother, then Bluebird, and then we have another Angry Bird thing. It's like a sticker thing. It says, "Sorry to make you see red." Then we have another one. Has Bluebird sticker in it. Then we have a strip. It has all the pigs. Then we have Helmet Pig sticker. Then my last, we have a bookmark. We have 2 more things. We have 2 ones I made, Yellowbird and Purple. They're my favorites. They look pretty cool. And that was my Angry Birds Plus collection. Bye. Da 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 na 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 na